Welcome to Future Bike Hub 09. Today we are going to explore one of the most powerful and popular sport touring motorcycles in its category, the Bajaj Dominar 400. This motorcycle is designed for riders who love long-distance touring, highway riding, and powerful performance machines. The Dominar 400 represents modern motorcycle engineering combined with comfort and strength, air front design and lighting system. Let's start from the front profile of the Dominar 400. The motorcycle features a bold and aggressive LED headlight system that provides excellent visibility during night riding. The headlight design is sharp and modern, giving the bike a strong road presence. The golden USD front suspension is one of the most attractive features of this motorcycle. It not only improves the bike's premium touring look but also helps absorb road shocks efficiently. The wide front tire design helps maintain stability and road grip, especially during highway cruising and high-speed riding. Air fuel tank and body structure. Moving toward the fuel tank and body design. The Dominar 400 carries a muscular and strong touring motorcycle identity. The large fuel tank capacity allows riders to travel long distances without frequent refueling stops. The matte black premium finishing combined with golden suspension highlights gives the motorcycle a sporty and luxurious appearance. The aerodynamic body structure helps reduce air resistance while riding at higher speeds. Side profile and riding comfort. Now let's talk about the side profile of this motorcycle. The long and comfortable seat design is suitable for both rider and passenger during touring journeys. This makes the Dominar 400 a good choice for highway travel and adventure trips. The upright riding posture helps reduce body fatigue during long rides, allowing riders to maintain better control and comfort. The strong frame structure improves overall motorcycle stability. The side exhaust system adds a sporty touring motorcycle character. Air engine performance and technology. The Dominar 400 is powered by a high-performance engine designed for strong power delivery. This engine provides smooth acceleration and excellent torque performance, making it suitable for highway cruising and sport touring riding. The advanced cooling technology helps maintain engine temperature, stability during long-distance travel. The electronic fuel injection system improves fuel efficiency and engine response. Air suspension system. The golden USD front suspension is specially tuned for touring, comfort and control. It helps absorb road bumps and uneven surfaces, providing a smoother riding experience. The rear suspension system supports balance and stability during fast riding conditions. Air braking and safety features. The advanced dual-disc braking system provides strong stopping power. This improves rider safety during high-speed riding situations. The high-quality sport touring tires offer excellent road grip and cornering stability. Air touring performance experience. The Bajaj Dominar 400 is specially built for touring lovers and adventure riders. Whether you are riding on highways, city roads, or long mountain routes, this motorcycle delivers reliable performance. The powerful engine, strong chassis, and advanced suspension system make it a complete touring machine. Air final message. If you are searching for a powerful sport touring motorcycle with modern design, strong performance, and comfortable riding experience, then the Bajaj Dominar 400 is an excellent choice. This motorcycle represents adventure, power, and touring freedom. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Future Bike Hub 09 for more amazing bike videos.